Throughout the years, Otoscope has helped many people visualize and examine the condition of their ear canal and eardrum. However, there are still a lot of things we need to understand about this medical device. Punta pa lang tayo sa exciting part, mga kabikini bottom. But first, let us travel back in time to know its origin. The origins of the otoscope may be traced all the way back to 1363 in France. At that time, the French physician and surgeon Guy de Chauliac envisioned equipment that may assist in diagnosing patients with ear or nose problems. The real device was not constructed until the 1600s and 1700s when a German surgeon and medical equipment salesman Wilhelm Fabry and J.J. Beret produced the first prototypes. The initial otoscope resembled a pair of tongs rather than the instrument you are familiar with today.
Turuan mo pa ako niyan.
Magkaiba kasi sila SpongeBob. Makinig ka na mabuti ah.
An otoscope is a device that uses light to visualize and examine the status of the ear canal, eardrum, and middle ear. Examining the ear might cite the source of symptoms such as earache, ear fullness, and hearing loss. As for the shape, the otoscope has a light, a magnifying lens, and a funnel-shaped viewing piece with a narrow pointed end called speculum. The size of an otoscope varies depending on different age group. In adults, a 5mm inner diameter speculum is appropriate. Children have narrower canals and hence a speculum with an inner diameter of 4mm is generally suitable. For otoscopy in babies, speculums of 2.5 to 3.0mm inner diameter are required.
Squidok, patulong naman sa mga parts nito.
Patot talaga. Iisa-isahin ko ah.
Parts and functions of an otoscope. There are two main parts, which is the head and the tail. The head is designed for the examination of the ear, nose, or throat. This instrument has a light source and magnifying system at one end and help better examine the ear structures. And of course, it consists of the light source, magnifying lens, and the speculum. The light source enables you to see into the ear canal. The magnifying lens, which is typically 3 times or 4 times magnification for better visualization, and it also enhances the clinician's view in examining the structures. And of course, the speculum, which permits safe visualization of the inner ear. It is slowly inserted into the ear canal a centimeter or 2 while looking into the otoscope. The speculum is angled slightly toward the person's nose to follow the canal. Then a light beam extends beyond the viewing tip of the speculum. And of course, the tail or the handle, which consists of the power switch, battery handle, and the battery cap. The power switch that typically have a simple on and off switch, and of course, it also permits the control of light intensity. The battery handle that could be AC powered, rechargeable battery, or alkaline. And the battery cap placed on the bottommost part of the otoscope.
Paano nga ba gamitin ang otoscope?
Ay! Tulog ka kasi ng tulog, Squidok. Me boy.
The otoscope or oroscope is a medical device that allows healthcare practitioners to better observe and study the outer and inner parts of the ear to check if there are abnormalities. It's used to check for ear issues including hearing loss, ear discomfort, discharge, tumors, foreign objects in the ear, or infection. The most commonly used otoscope are in emergency rooms, pediatric offices, general practice, and by internists. An otoscope may detect concerns in young children and infants who are unable to express themselves verbally, such as a baby with an ear infection. It can confirm symptoms in adults and assist doctors in figuring out how to treat the ears. Mainly otolaryngologists, ENTs, and healthcare practitioners who know how to use and execute this medical device are the ones who usually use and handle the otoscopes.
Sandy, Monty.
Tuesday!
Kailangan ko ng brains mo.
Now, this is my side.
Listen and learn.
Types of otoscopes. Type 1, pocket otoscopes, are smaller and lighter than the regular otoscopes since they are designed to fit in a pocket. Both the head and the grip are included when ordering a pocket otoscope. The majority of pocket otoscopes uses alkaline batteries to power the handle with a few exceptions. Type 2, the full-size otoscope. Otoscopes that are full-size are larger and heavier than the pocket otoscopes. They are made up of more sophisticated heads and handles that can be purchased separately because those components are often interchangeable among brands. Type 3, video otoscopes, are meant to connect to a computer or monitor and project, collect, save, and email high-resolution photos and/or videos. Lastly, wall-mounted or battery-operated otoscopes has a flexible power cord that connects a wall-mounted otoscope to a base which holds the otoscope while not in use and also acts as a source of electric power when connected into an outlet.